Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Honorable Lecturer Mr. Duha Hadiansyah and all my friends. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Erina Febrianti with student registration number 03 11 52 40 13. I am a student of the Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business at University Al-Azhar Indonesia, currently in class MG 24H Blended. Today, I'm highly excited to present my final exam project for the Academy English. I will be sharing some insight on a topic that is highly relevant to our daily digital life. Title is Schema Beyond on Brains, the behavioral finance and neuromarketing tactic behind e-commerce impulse buying. Through this presentation, we will explore why we often buy things we don't actually need, how e-commerce platform manipulates our decision making, and most important, how financial literacy can save us from these digital traps. Without further ado, let's get started. What is impulse buying? Let's start with the definition. What is impulse buying? In behavioral finance, it is an emotional action overriding logical rationality. Today, e-commerce platforms systematically reduce what we call purchase friction. They make it so easy to check out in just one click, which often leads to immediate pleasure but eventual financial regret. The psychological tactic are FOMO and dopamine. There are two major tactics used to trigger our brains. First is FOMO, or fears of missing out. When we see flash sale countdown timers, our brains instantly think the item is scarce, which pressure us to check out immediately. Second is the dopamine loop. Neuromarketing studies show that dopamine, your brain's feel-good hormone, is actually released during the anticipation of buying, not after we get the item. This is why browsing online shop during major sales, even like 12/12 or 11/11, feels so incredibly addictive. The danger of pay later, the pain of paying. Another interesting concept in behavioral economics is the pain of paying. Normally, when we pay with cash, our brain experiences a psychological pain because we physically see the money leaving our hands. However, features like digital wallets and buying now, pay later, or pay later completely remove this pain. They exploit our present bias, which is our human tendency to prefer instant gratification now and worry about the debt later. The Shell Financial Literacy Solution. So, how do we fight back? We need to build a shield using 3 simple financial literacy habits. 1. The 48 hours rule. Before clicking buy, leave the item in your cart for 48 hours to let your emotion cool down. 2. Budget partitioning. Use a separate e-wallet for entertainment so you don't overspend your main savings. 3. Create friction. Remove your saved credit card or pay later details from your phone so it takes more effort to check out. Conclusion. To conclude our topic today, Let us remember one important key takeaway. Financial mindfulness is the critical space we must create between a marketing stimulus and our buying response. We cannot control how e-commerce platforms market their products, but we can absolutely control how we manage our own minds and money. That brings me to the end of my presentation. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Mr. Juha for this opportunity and to everyone who has watched this video. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.